So I said that we use VLOOKUP to look for value in a range of cells. So in a range of a data set, we use VLOOKUP to look for value in a range of a data set. So we have this data set here now, and I say find the employee name with the ID 107. Now what are we looking for? We are looking for the name of the what? Of the employee. So how do we get the name of employee? We make use of our VLOOKUP function. So my VLOOKUP function, what I'll do is I click here and I click equals VLOOKUP. Do you understand that? That the thing will show me lookup value. My lookup value is what? 107. I say comma. It will ask me for the table array. So my table array now starts from this point here. I can say from job title or anyone. So I can click from this side. So 5 column, and I think we have 20 rows. That time now it will be 21. So the cell range is what? A1 to what? E21. So I say comma. The next thing we have here is called column index number. It's spelled column index num. So we call it column index number. Now, which column are you on? We have our name. We have it under column what? Column 2. Remember when we are going like we have 5 columns. So we have column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we already have ID in column what? In column 1. So on this side now we have column what? Column 2. So under our column 2 now that's why we have what? Employee name. So that's what we mean by column index number. So here now we write 2 there. That is the column number we want to look for. So that's a comma. The next thing is it will ask us for our range lookup. So we have two things here. We have what we call true approximate match, and we have what we call false exact match. So if I want it to be true exact match, I will choose this word false. Or I can put 0 there, then close your bracket, then hit your word enter. Hit your where? Enter to give you the name. So the name of this person is what? Angelo Bold. I mean, you can see it here. This is it here. Let me. Is it the same thing? 107. If I change this, one beautiful thing about it because what I change, but then let me change this to 110. 110. It changes the name. To who? Church London. 110 is what? Church London. You now see it. So that is the beauty about your VLOOKUP. It's used to find a particular value in a range of a data set. Do you understand that now?